right, guys, spring is here and summer's right around the corner. It means it's gonna get dry and dusty and you're gonna need water for that job site. We got a brand new Peterbilt 4,000 gallon water truck to test all the functions on. So before you get in the truck, there's a few things you gotta look at. Your step-by-step on your tank for your spray operation and your suction. When you rent one of these water trucks and it shows up on your job site, it's gonna be empty. And I'm gonna show you how to use the suction side of this truck. Your first step is to find a water source and get your hose. You're gonna hook this hose up to valve B on your suction. Flip your locks in. So your next step is to make sure this valve is closed. Now how you know these valves are closed, if it's 90 with the pipe, the valve is closed. If it's in line with the pipe, it's open. Next step is to open both these valves to fill your tank as quick as possible. Now we're in the cab, we got their valves where we want them. We're gonna turn on the PTO. You wanna bring your attention to our PTO operations. It has to be engaged at idle, and when you're working the PTO, it has to be below 1800 RPMs or it'll cut itself out. Your next step is gonna be slowly opening this valve and closing this one. After you fill your tank, you wanna close your B valve and your A valve. We got our truck filled up, our PTO engaged, and we're ready to start spraying. So our center console is our spray head operations. All your left spray heads are on the left and the right is on the right. Operate your water cannon, you turn the power on, and then you can move it around. Best thing about these trucks, they're really easy to drive. Foot on the brake, release your brakes, go ahead and hit drive. What I do to keep those RPMs high, you hit mode, you keep it in first gear, so that way you get the best spray. The reason why I like first gear so much, it's predictable. You'll have your RPMs where you need it for the PTO and it won't cut out. So that's your basic functions of a brand new Peterbilt 4,000 gallon water truck. And if you need dust control on your job site, call Newman Tractor and we'll take good care of you. I'll push you out that door in a minute. It's all right, I felt it just push. God, so meanie. I'm not a commercial. I'm Hollywood, ain't no commercial.